what repairs and fixes to make before selling your home can be challenging. Nobody wants to waste money on the wrong fixes. And here's the truth. The wrong fixes can drain your retirement savings and still leave the buyers unimpressed. Today's buyers in King County are picky. They are watching HGTV. They are scanning Zillow every day, and they notice the little things. The right small things can mean thousands of dollars more in your pocket, and the wrong ones can waste time and money. So let's dive into the 7 home fixes you must complete before selling your King County home. These will help your house sell faster and for more money without breaking the bank. This is what we want, right? Stick with me to the end and I will reveal a bonus that most home sellers overlook, and it can make or break your sale. Many home sellers I meet in the King County area think that they need to pour thousands of dollars into home renovations before selling their home. New kitchens, fancy bathrooms. But here's the truth. You don't need massive renovations. The secret? These 7 simple fixes that cost a fraction of a remodel and have buyers lining up at your door. Number 1, fresh interior paint. Do you have old wallpaper, or maybe you have a bright red wall, or your walls are dinged or scratched? Maybe they have color crayon all over them, or even the wall with all your measurements of your kids. I know, take a picture of it so you can save it. If you have these, it's time for a fresh coat of paint. A fresh, light, neutral coat of paint can make your home feel more modern and move-in ready. Neutral colors help brighten up homes and help buyers envision themselves living in your home. Number 2, flooring updates. Buyers notice old carpet right away. So if your carpet is old or your hardwoods are scratched, get them refinished, replace the carpet. It's a simple change that pays off. Now, some of my sellers ask me, can I just give a carpet allowance instead? This is on a case-by-case basis, but in most cases, it is better to update the flooring in advance. Number 3, a minor kitchen refresh. A minor kitchen refresh. There's no need for a full remodel. Just swap out the outdated hardware, the outdated lighting, the kitchen faucet possibly. Small changes make a big impact. Another thing I get asked all the time, do I need to change the countertops and make them granite or quartz? Again, this is on a case-by-case basis. It really depends on what the other selling competition is doing, but you typically do not get the same amount of money out of the house as you would put into doing that upgrade. It does help sell the home faster, so it really depends on the market and the situation. Number 4, bathroom basics. Clean and bright bathrooms sell homes. Recaulk the tubs. Deep clean the grout. Change out the light fixtures and make them a little bit more modern. If you still have frosted doors from the 80s, it's time for them to go. I have a great guide that will help you with your move and help you with your budget for your repairs. If you would like a copy of it, put a comment below or click the link in the description. You will be happy you did. It's a great organization tool. Number 5, front yard curb appeal. Now this one is super important. You only get one chance to make a great first impression. You want those buyers who are driving by to want to make an appointment to come inside. If the outside of your house and yard looks like it needs some attention, they may not make the appointment, or they may think the rest of your house needs attention. Spend a little time and power wash the driveway, power wash the sidewalk. Add some flowers in a pot. Spread some fresh mulch and trim the bushes and trees. It really sets the tone before a buyer even walks in. Also, what does the front door look like? Does it need a coat of paint? You want the door to be welcoming. Number 6, lighting and fixtures. We've talked about this a little bit already. I'm Karen Jackson. I'm a realtor with John L. Scott in King County, Washington, out of Renton. And I help home sellers just like you who have been living in King County for a very long time and are wanting to move away. I know how overwhelming selling a long-time family home can be, and I want to make it simple and clear and stress-free for you. Swap out outdated fixtures and add a little bit more modern touch, and be sure to change the light bulbs. Brighter bulbs make the space seem more open and inviting, especially in our gloomy Pacific Northwest weather. Out with the brass. If your light fixtures and doorknobs and everything is brass, modernize them just a little bit. Number 7, small repairs and leaks. Be sure to fix the leaky faucets or any drips underneath the sink, tighten loose handrails, and fix all those squeaky doors. Buyers notice when a home feels cared for. So don't overspend. The goal is to prepare, not remodel. Focus on the fixes that the buyers will notice in the first 10 minutes of viewing your home. This helps you get top dollar without draining your retirement funds. So which of these fixes do you feel might make the most impact in your home? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear. Now here's the bonus tip I promised. And this one gets overlooked all the time by sellers. Furniture. Outdated and oversized furniture can instantly make your home feel older and smaller than it actually is. Floral couches, giant oak dining sets, or recliners that have seen better days, even if you spent a ton of money on them and they're very, very good quality back in the 80s, buyers start to wonder if the furniture is outdated, what else in the home is outdated? And they will assume your home needs more updating than it actually does. So here's the fix. Thin it out, remove bulky furniture, create open space, and if possible, stage with a few neutral pieces. Less is more. You want potential buyers to visualize themselves in your space, not get distracted by your furniture. Be sure to download the moving planner and watch my next video on should I sell now or should I wait? I'll see you on the next one.